Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to back up your secret key or your secret phrase on Metamask. So basically guys, first thing first, when you go ahead and create your Metamask, let's see that with some project settings. So let me just show you. So let me just go manage extension and remove it. So when I install my Metamask wallet for the first time, they will give me some secret key, and they write for me that I must keep that key secret. And most of you guys just keep, like, they see download, they click download, they see like something, they copy it, they see password, they write password, and they don't read the notes written for them. Well, if you didn't actually get your secret key when you created your Metamask wallet for the first time, there is no way for you to get it back. So let's say, for example, here is the password very quick, and let's click on create. So now after that I click next, and here it is. This is the secret recovery phrase. Here your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. So in order to back up and restore your account, this is really important, because this is like your email or password or like your username. So it is very important. So never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your your coins forever. So as you can see, that's my secret recovery phrase. So what am I supposed to do is basically copy it, paste it in the safest place that possible. Maybe I can write it on a paper and put it in somewhere secret. Maybe I can just copy it and write it and paste it in a notebook or notepad, and so go on, the options for you. So this is the most important key, guys. Make sure that you save it in the most safest place you can find. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.